Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're reviewing the best 14mm bowl piece, the 12PC's glass funnels, 14mm glass funnel with handle, designed for both lab and kitchen use. Whether you're transferring liquids, powders, or even working on intricate sand art projects, this glass funnel offers the versatility you need. Crafted from high-quality, thickened glass, this funnel is incredibly durable. It's built to last, meaning you'll get repeated use without worrying about it breaking or wearing down over time. This is not just a funnel for lab experiments, it's a versatile, eco-friendly tool that also comes in handy for kitchen tasks like filling oil bottles or even creating your own perfumes. The design of this glass funnel is both practical and convenient. It features a built-in handle, making it easy to manage and control, even when you're working with liquids that need precise pouring. The smooth glass surface ensures easy cleaning after every use, which is perfect for anyone who values convenience and longevity in their tools. This funnel's spill-free design means no waste when transferring liquids, making it ideal for both professional and personal use. Plus, its multi-purpose nature extends beyond the kitchen or lab. It's perfect for projects like sand art, and it's even great for transferring small powders with minimal mess. Its compact size and reusable design make it both eco-friendly and cost-effective, ensuring it'll be a staple in your toolkit for years to come. With its durable build, ease of use, and versatility, this 14mm glass funnel with a handle is definitely worth considering if you're in need of a reliable transfer tool. So, if you're looking for a multi-purpose glass funnel that delivers excellent performance every time, look no further than this product. It's an essential tool for any home, lab, or studio. Be sure to check it out and add it to your collection today. Thanks for watching Product Critique.